Hi there, Andrew Thompson from Precision Market Trading. I promised a bit of an update on Fortescue. One of my biggest files in my trading book is on Fortescue. I follow it religiously. It works very well to my style of analysis and trading. We've done very well out of it over the years. But as you know, I always start off a video like this with a bit of background history on it. This goes back to the major top we had in 2008 at $13, 16 odd. Basically did a 1 to 10 split from 130 bucks. Not bad if you bought for 1 cent a few years ago. It went down from $13 all the way down to $1.16. Great short, but terrible if you were long. So we started analysis from this low of $1.16 back in '08. And we always look at the ranges first to give us the time going forward. We always look at we never try and impose our opinion on the market. The numbers don't lie. We wait till the numbers come up and then we follow the numbers forward. So the first range we had from $1.16 all the way up to $7.34. $7.34, as you know, go on like a broken record, is a circle. So we had the range up, it was $6.18. Bars 542 and solar degrees 780. 780, what does that sound like? Sounds like twice my Twitter handle with 388. 776, 778, 780. I'm not worried about a couple of points here and there. So we had the time up in degrees into this top of 780 or 781 if you go 0.5. And then the trading days over was exactly the same. 781, 781. Like I keep telling you, like a broken record, things just repeat and repeat and repeat. That's all I ever do on my analysis. I look for repeaters. I don't reinvent anything. So we've got good old Desert Man 388 up and over at an exact and then down to the recent low. You also see this range up. The market is always giving you clues to where it's going in the future. There's nothing random about markets. Everything is, in a sense, preordained as far as I'm concerned. The range up was $6.18. The next top here was $6.18. So that's telling you to watch out when that number pops its ugly head up again. Then we went straight down here to the double bottom down here. What was the double bottom? The double bottom was 289 degrees, which is 2 times 144. And the end price was 287, so time was giving you price. Up she went again to $6.22 before what I think is a final decline. Going back over here, during this bull run, it's giving you clues of where the top's coming out. Low to low was 542 solar degrees. Low to top was 542 trade is exactly the same. So I had this written down on my little workbook. You're looking for the 542s to come up. And it came out quite a lot through here too. But 542, I mean, that low was already written in stone when it moved away from it. So you can't change it. So I was looking for 542 again. 542 traders on the circle. On the double time 388, 389. It's a sell on the circle. Down she goes. So I'm just trying to show you here how well this stock vibrates. Now we're going to go to the present. Once again, there's your major top back in '08 of $13.16, I think it was. Down to this top. Range was 581. Remember that number? It was 580, remember that number? It comes up again and again, but 581. So we have a number in stone here. And then from that top down to this low, the double bottom low I mentioned on the previous chart, was 585 solar degrees. So quite often, or more than quite often, probably 2/3 of the time you find, just like we did in the previous chart, low to low gave you the top. Here it's the opposite. Top to top is giving you the low. Solar degrees, 581 bars, 585 degrees. Now we come to the present. Same top to this top. The range was $6.93 from that top to that top. And the days down is $6.96. Once again, close enough for me. And as you know, I've been going on about it quite a while. $6.96 to $6.99, 3 times 233. And that's been working fantastically in the market the last few months. $4.66, 233, $6.99. Works beautifully. Be aware, as I said to you in a previous post a couple of weeks ago, if you see those numbers coming up, take your profits or stop and reverse, but do not stay in. it will move the market. And aside from my little double bottom here, the 287, 2 times 144, the days to this low, 940 days, 926 degrees. The average, as you know, over big periods of time, quite often not average, the average is 933. 4 times 233 is 932. And the low is $1.44. So when I see 281 here, 287 there, $1.44 there, I'm getting interested. That is why we went long just down here. We had a big spike up on Friday. But as you can see, compared to any other range, it's very, very early days yet. But I'm suggesting that this is a low for a sustained rally. It's still technically short, hasn't got above resistance up here around the $1.80 yet. Once it gets through there, it's looking better. But at the moment, it's a trade only with a very tight stop at the bottom. So we'll see how we go. I'll talk to you soon.